Finding the area of the sector, part 2 po tayo. So, let's have here is circle A. Now, again, when we talk about sector, eto lang po yung part na to, yung sinasabi natin na sector. No? Pag kinuha natin siya, isa siyang slice ng pizza. And we want to get kung ano po ang area neto. No? This one. So, for example, we have here a radius of 10 feet. And then, the arc BC is equal to 60 degrees. Now, let's find out kung ano po ang area ng sector po na ito. Okay? So, area ng ating pong sector ang inaanap. And to answer this, we will be using formula again ng area ng sector, which is area of the sector is equal to yung ating pong theta, which is the measure po ng ating arc, and then times pi r squared over 360 degrees. Okay? So, next is just substitute everything dito. Ang ating pong theta, which is 60 degrees, lagay lang natin, 60, then times, open and close, times mo yan, pi, which is 3.1416. Huwag mo kakalimutan, that's the exact value. And then we have the radius, ang binigay po dito ay 10 feet. So, we have here 10 feet, then squared. Okay? Next is, we simplify. By the way, this one is over 360. Okay? Now, as you notice, ito pong si 60 at yung ating 360 ay divisible by 60. Ang common factor ng 60 at 360 ay 60 po. So, ibig sabihin, divide natin. So, 60 divide by 60, ang sagot natin is 1. And 360 divide by 60, ang sagot po ay 6. Okay? So, therefore, ang gagawin na po natin is to multiply yung numerator. Lahat ng numbers sa numerator, multiply natin. Ha? So, 1 times 3.1416, ang sagot natin doon ay, let's have here, 3.1416. Then, let's simplify this. 10 feet squared, ibig sabihin po, 10 squared is 10 times 10, and that is 100. Next, copy the unit, which is feet. Then, lagay po natin yung kanyang exponent kasi dinistribute na natin. Okay? Then, over, hindi na po 360, kung hindi, number 6 na. Next is, simplify everything. 3.1416 times 100, ang sagot po natin ay 314.16. Then, copy the unit, feet squared, over 6. Okay? Then, we divide 3.14 at 314.16 divide by 6. Ang sagot naman po natin dyan ay 52.36 square feet. Okay? So, this one is our final answer.